Hi YouTube, today we're gonna go to an airsoft store in Dallas called GI Tactical.
Hi.
Let's go.
Hi. People Zai.
Let's go.
Hi.
Definitely hope so. We spent a lot of time trying to make it as cool as possible.
I'm too old for Toys R Us, so this is the next step.
Imports board, those are the ones for sale. The ones on the right are for, there's actually teams across the country. There's one from Germany, one from Brazil, one from Mexico. Yeah, shoots 3 BBs at a time.
This is a model of D14.
It is. It's real wood, real metal.
This is a model
Still feels like
Safety first.
you guys are needing some more clear goggles.
Yeah, we're gonna need a few more over here.
You have to wear goggles, yeah.
Alright, who wants to shoot it?
Me.
Alright, so. Put it on safety here. We're ready to shoot. Take this lever. All the way down to the bottom. So there's 1, 2 right there. Okay.
Semi-full.
Well, reverse on an AK. It's actually fully automatic and then semi. They're a little backwards that way.
What was that one again?
That is the KWA AKG 64. There you go. You're a pro at this.
Big thing.
All right, you want to shoot it, buddy? All right. Here. Yes, we let pretty much everybody who's looking to buy one. That's kind of our policy. If you're in the shop, you're looking to buy, then we let you come in and shoot off.
Yeah, this is cool. It's loud, pretty loud too, especially for an airsoft gun. And it is heavy.
It is, yeah,
it's
it
probably
definitely
pretty close to a real gun.
It is very close. Yeah, I think that's within about a half a pound.
It's a 1911.
It is, yes. This is probably one of the most popular guns we carry. Just because it's affordable and it's really reliable and it shoots pretty great. $120. The prices on those like start at about $100 and go up to about $200 on the maximum side. Which one did you want to see? The chrome one? Of course he did. This guy's cool. This one doesn't even have the wheel that pops out. It actually is like a classic style Old West revolver, where every time you fire it, see the cylinder move?
Yeah.
And you actually have to pop your shells out manually every time you want to change them out. Unlike,
That one's kind of like a 350.
you know, I got 38, more designed for the Old West kind of a thing. And we even have some that don't use shells at all. We got some more budget-friendly stuff where they just use a little disc to hold your ammo.
Oh, yeah.
Just pops right in here, closest, but then it's still together. They're pretty affordable. Yeah, they have been a big hit, actually. These very quickly are becoming one of Elite Force's best-selling pistols.
Cybergun P90. AEG. Nice little ditty. Cool thing is that it's different from other P90s that uses a mid cap instead of a high cap. Real wood, real metal, all that fun jazz. We're still think that AR stands for automatic rifle.
All of these guns are so heavy.
Well, yeah, well, just this particular one. A lot of those guys want to emulate some of that stuff, so that way they can have it as most realistic as they can. So that's why they go with guns like these. But it just comes down to what you want, because there's so many companies that produce stuff like this that have the working bolt catch, that have the working full bolt, working dust cover, all that fun jazz. But it's all based off of the player. Comes down to, do you like aesthetics? Do you like more function?
The helmet is awesome. It looks like a stormtrooper.
That way, just in case, you can find